Good afternoon. It's great to be among friends, especially all the EIRs sitting here. I'm Nader Fati. I am the CEO and one of the co-founders of Kiana Analytics. I want to start talking about what we call the dark data. Today, only 5% of us who go to stores or anywhere buy anything. There is 95% of us which is dark. By the way, talking about the 5%, these are the 5 who bought something or logged into an app or basically were seen by a beacon. So what we are trying to do at Kiana Analytics to really shed light on the other 95%. So what we do is that this is through Wi-Fi. If you have your device on, it could be your Mac, it could be your Tesla, it could be your cell phone. What happens is that you are leaving a lot of digital cookie crumb. Based on that, we can see what's the foot traffic, where you are, what you do, and so on, right? So that is what we call collect. Next, if you decide to log in to the social Wi-Fi, then you're basically leaving your profile behind. These are the people who are asking to be sent coupons and offers and so on. Now, what stores do, then they use this information, which is actually, again, big data, which is your location, time, and your profile, and they can actually convert that into actionable information. So with that, let me give you an interesting example, which is actually not a retail. It is an amusement park for those of you who have been to Disneyland and so on. So this is one in Europe. And what you're looking at with our solution, they can see the heat map. Where are the people when they come down the roller coasters? And instead of them going to the restaurant, the food comes to them. So this way they can sell a lot of their goods. The other thing they did, they offered coupons. And it was amazing how many people at a place like this logged into the Wi-Fi, and they use this information for crowd control. If you look at it in this picture, there's nobody on the right-hand side of the park and said, hey, in the next half an hour, if you go there, you get a free cookie or whatever. So everybody moved up there. All right, so this is where we are. This is the slide I want you to remember. We start shipping in September of last year. We are already up to 70 locations worldwide. The big number is on the top, 17 million devices in our database today, and you can see the customers. All right, here is a big data architecture. What I want to talk about here is that there's no app required. No beacons, no apps, right? So again, this is non-intrusive. If the customer decides they can log in, they can do that. All right, so the team, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I started a company here which was sold to Siemens. Again, thanks to Plug and Play, they were an investor. Sebastian, which is here with me, is from Cisco, comes to us from the Wi-Fi. And our engineering team, headed by Professor Klaus Tenhagen, is in Germany. So we have a US and German team. Again, the market is location-based marketing. We have already patented 3 technology. For those of you who are asking about iOS 8, we have actually patented a technology around iOS 8. We believe we are pretty unique about that. And the most important part is Fortinet. Fortinet is roughly a $5 billion company, not that far from here. They are white labeling our product. We do not have to build a sales force. They have 10,000 people out there, and that's what got the message out there. To wrap up, so today, again, we want to shine light on the 95% which is dark. Okay, they do not buy anything, they just walk around. How do we grab those 95%? Today we are at 17 million. We just finished 17 million devices. We want to go to 100 million. On the fundraising, we just finished $1 million seed round. Sandhill Angels, Plug and Play, Hawaii Angels, and a bunch of people who are actually here. Thank you. So our next step is to go raise our Series A, which is going to be later this year, and it's going to be 3 million plus. Thank you again.